Hello my fellow dancers! Today in this video I'm going to show you 4 jazz walks, very famous, that can be used to transition your choreography from one movement to another one, or you can actually move your whole group to another area using this simple jazz walk for you. So here they are. So this is the first jazz walk. Okay, so for our first walk, it's going to be pretty simple. You're going to start very straight right here, facing to that, where you're going basically, straight back. And you're going to walk in 1, left 2, open, 3, it's like basically a slide. And you turn with your left behind in 4. And you're ready to start again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's do it again a little bit faster. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to give that extra sass doing your shoulders. This walk is one of my favorite ones because I use it a lot. I use it a lot during my jazz routines and even my lyrical routines. And it's called the 3-step walk. So we're going to start with our right back right here, and I'm going to do just the legs. So it looks like step, step, down. Step, step, down. Step, step, down. So let's repeat those legs. So we have right, left, bend. Left, right, bend. Right, left, bend. It's very, very simple. Now with the arms, you can, vary those, because you can do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, or you can do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's see it. So we start with the right, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's very important for you to turn that torso with your arms are facing. This is the famous step, the JoJo. So we're going to start, is basically we're doing this, a simple jazz walk. But every step that you have, you lift your hip in a circular way. So you go like this, and make sure you're moving those shoulders as well in a circle position. Right here and right here. So let's do it from here. So we start with our right back, and we bring it in. And 1, this is a little hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's do it from the other so you can see that was. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can add different ways that you can move your head, and that will work. You can change the arms as well, but the legs have to stay in that circular motion, and that will work perfect. And that's it for the video of today. So if you like it, don't forget to comment below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have a special request, put it in the comments and I'll be sure to read those. And maybe get ideas for a new video from there. So thanks for watching!